Did you know you can tighten and flatten your stomach with just one powerful move? And it's not sit-ups or crunches. Everyone knows the old saying, calories in versus calories out for weight loss. But if it were that simple, why do so many people struggle, especially with stubborn belly fat? In this video, I'll explain why the traditional calorie deficit model often fails long-term, the real key to fat loss, and the single best exercise to tone your midsection, the dead bug. This move strengthens deep core muscles, tightens fascia, and creates that firm, flat look without straining your back or hip flexors like sit-ups do. Let's break it down. Why calories in, calories out isn't the full story. Yes, creating a calorie deficit leads to weight loss. That's basic physics. But our bodies aren't simple machines. We have an endocrine system that adapts. When you slash calories, insulin drops, and low insulin is the key to burning fat. Quotes from Guyton's Physiology. All aspects of fat metabolism are greatly enhanced in the absence of insulin. When carbohydrates are not utilized, almost all energy comes from fats. Carbs spike insulin most. Protein moderate. Fat almost none. All calories are not equal. Carb calories block fat burning. Low-carb/keto lowers insulin body tops stored fat for fuel. Result: less hunger/cravings, sustainable energy, no metabolism slowdown. Fat equals your biological pantry for survival between meals. Burning it curbs appetite naturally. Visceral fat sheds first on low carb. Superficial fat follows. It takes 2 to 3 days for ketosis, 2 to 3 weeks for full fat adaptation. Thousands have succeeded this way, sustainable, no constant hunger. The missing piece: fascia and deep core tone. Even after fat loss, some have a flabby stomach from atrophied fascia, gel-like connective tissue around abs. Sit-ups/crunches overactivate hip flexors, throwing off back balance. Better, target deep core and fascia for that tight, girdle-like tone. The one move, dead bug exercise. Best non-sit-up move for flattening/tightening. Builds coordination, controls pelvic tilt, strengthens deep abs/fascia. How to: lie on back, knees/hips at 90 degrees. Arms straight up to ceiling. Flatten low back to floor. Extend opposite arm and leg slowly. Keep low back pressed down. Return to start. Alternate sides. Sets/reps, 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 per side daily. Beginner, one limb at a time. Advanced, same side arm/leg or add slow tempo. Key tips: move only limbs, core hold stable, breathe normally. No arching low back. Do daily. Many see tighter midsection in 1 to 2 weeks. Conclusion: flatten your stomach sustainably. Lower carbs/insulin for fat loss plus dead bug for deep tone. No endless calorie counting or hunger battles. Try the dead bug today. Comment your results. Subscribe for more practical health truths. See you next time.